Hey dinos, it's me, Sharky Shark. Does anyone know where you can find glaciers? That's right, the North and South Pole. But did you know that you can also find glaciers on every continent? Some glaciers are also in the equator and Mexico, which is in the center of the Earth. But the only place where glaciers don't exist is... Can anyone guess? I'll give you a hint. It's where you can find kangaroos. That's right, Australia. Oh my, you dinos are so smart. It's mind-blowing. Now let's start our worksheet. Are you ready? You got this. First and always, let's write our names. I chose a violet color. What color did you choose? Oh man, I love that color. By the way, you dinos are doing so great at writing your name every week. Now that we're done writing our names, let's read the directions. Practice tracing the triangle. Let's read it again. Practice tracing the triangle. Here's Mr. Triangle. Grab your favorite color. You could choose any color you like. I'm choosing red. 1, 2, 3. Remember in our last video? Triangles have 3 sides. Pick another color, any color you like. 1, 2, 3. Remember, triangles have 3 sides. The best way to remember is every time you draw the line, count. 1, 2, 3. This time I chose blue. I really love blue. Do you like blue? Oh, that's great. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many sides does a triangle have? Great job. If you don't know, let's count together. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Now let's read. Great job tracing the triangles. Now let's read the next direction. Draw something using the shape above. Draw something using the shape above. The shape above was a triangle. So now we're going to use a triangle to draw something. The best is to draw the triangle first. Now draw something using the shape above, which is the shape of the triangle. I can't wait to see what you draw. Anything in life that you see that's a shape of a triangle. Can you tell what I'm drawing? There's some circles on it. Now I'm coloring the lower part brown. Like a light brown. Can you guess what I'm drawing? Not yet? Now I'm coloring the circles red. What has red circles on it that's the shape of a triangle with a lower part that's brown. Can you guess yet? Now I'm coloring in between yellow. Can you see what I'm drawing? Did you guess it? Let's wait till the end and see. It's a pizza! Can you all see it? I drew a pizza! Whoever guessed the pizza, you're right! Now that we're done drawing the pizza, let's color in the triangles. First, I'm coloring in Mrs. Triangle. I'm coloring her purple. What color are you coloring, Mrs. Triangle? And now I'm coloring Mrs. Triangle's arms. I'm coloring her arms yellow. What color are you coloring her arms and legs? Second triangle, I'm coloring it red. Boy, I love red. Red is such a nice color. You see it on stop signs and red lights. Where else do you think you see red? The second triangle, I'm coloring it green. Where do you see green? That's right, trees, grass, and green lights. The next triangle, I'm coloring it blue. Where do we see blue? That's right, the sky. That's right, the ocean. You dinos are so good with your colors. The next triangle, I'm coloring it like a light pink. Where do you see light pink? That's right, Mrs. Peggy Peg is light pink. The next triangle, I'm coloring it orange. Can you guess what fruit is the color orange? This is a hard one. That's right, it's orange. Isn't that funny? Oh, dinos, I'm so proud of you all. Every week you impress me more and more with your shapes. That means we're doing a great job. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.
Hi everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks.